Oh, hello everybody. Um, Obviously, last message I put up was 18 minutes long. It took me about a whole day to upload. But I think there was a lot in it, was of interest. But I thought really the beauty is a short video where I just say hello and remind people that everything is absolutely perfect in the fullness of time, in the moment. And sometimes it's hard to believe, but it does take the pressure off if just every now and then during the day you're like, okay, everything's as it should be. I'm on target. I'm participating consciously. I'm glad of the opportunity. Maybe that won't resonate with you. Hopefully, I have more news on tangible successes. But I don't think that it actually is funny because I do go on and on and on, even though I don't think words actually are the thing that work. I love to write, I love to create, I love to participate in these things. But one of these days, it'll all come together and we'll see how it's not just us doing what we can, it's that brilliant infinite organizing power of nature. So, anybody else gets a result, let me know, and vice versa. Lots of love.